We just had another successful fall. Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. For about 6 months now, we've been tracking our successful falls at MedFitness. A successful fall is a fall where an older adult trips or slips onto a hard surface like concrete or tile and basically gets up, shrugs it off, has no injuries, and keeps living their life. No concussion, no brain bleed, no fractures, no soft tissue tears. They basically keep going because they're so resilient and living the strength trained lifestyle. This client was walking into a restaurant, stepped onto a slippery tile surface, stretched down, did the splits almost. She's in her mid-70s, popped back up, did not hit her head, did not strain any soft tissues, kept living her life. So if you want to not only reduce the risk of falls, but have survivable, successful falls, medfitnessprogram.com is the place to be.